Nava Prashar and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you my garden. But before we start, you can see that many beautiful flowers, many gorgeous flowers have blown in our garden like this yellow dahlia and this pink dahlia and last one this orange and white dahlia. And this orange and white dahlia is looking the most beautiful because of the design in it. And here's our African daisy. So let's get into the video without wasting our time. So let's get into it. Like my other videos, I will start the video from the entrance. So at the entrance we can see a rose bud that is gonna blow and some days, and I think this rose should not be grown now, because in some time we're going somewhere out for some weeks, and that's not good for this, because if it will go out then it will not get water and it can be die. So I hope it could not die. And after rose there are many chrysanthemum, and they are looking so beautiful too today. And many pink petunia has blown today, and these are filling the pot fully completely. And this is Dantas is looking good too. There are many Dantas today. And here's our pansy are many pansy have blown today, but there's only one problem in this. There's one problem in pansies, that they don't we can see them properly. As you can see, we in this one we can see it design. That's not a good thing. And this is our gazania, and this is a flower that I was waiting from a long time, because it blow in sunlight, and the sunlight was not, so I waited a lot to blow this flower. And here's our marigold. Earlier I have confusion in this chrysanthemum and this marigold, but now I am completely understood that what's chrysanthemum and what's marigold. And there's our fern. I forgive the first word of this flower, not flower, it's plant, but it's so cozy and so good too. And here are our canary or oleander, and in some days the oleander flowers will blown here too. And I don't know this flower because this plant, because these plants blow and winter, and I know the names of this flower earlier when it was the early winter, last winter. But after a long time, this have been a long time, and now I have forget the name of this plant. This flower is good too, because of this its leaves are so different from the other leaves, and it's so beautiful too. And here our bougainvillea, and there's our oleander again. So you can see this dahlia, and there's one too, and there's two. This is the white chrysanthemum, and the white chrysanthemum is the most beautiful color of chrysanthemum I have seen until now, because when white and orange combine, they look so beautiful, the most beautiful. And here are our African daisy. Many have blown today, and this is filling the pot that is looking so cute. And there's many chrysanthemum again. You can see our spinach is growing, have grown so tall. And here are some more spinach, baby spinach. And here are many flowers too that are looking good too. The weather have changed. The sunlight has gone, and there's a little bit dark from earlier. And there's one periwinkle. I think I'm saying right. And there's only one periwinkle today, and after Sunday many will be here. And there's spider plant. So that's our garden. And there's a flower too, and I didn't know its name. So if anyone know its name, then comment below to tell me its name. And let I show you my garden again. Let I give you a shot of every flower. Zoom by giving you a zoom in. Sure. Tell me the name of this flower too. This is a known flower for me, and this one too. I not even know when I came into garden that it has grown today. So tell me the name of this flower, yellow one, that's short, that's tiny flower, and that's one. In the comment, tell me it. And these all are so tiny flowers, so I think many of you can see it. But if you found out, then tell me its name. And bye bye friends, see you next video.